such an admirable and dedicated man who did Nigeria proud with his talent in the game of football. May he rest in peace. Grant Wall says, so sad. Stephen Keshi, the superb former coach and player for Nigeria, has died unexpectedly at the age of 54. 54 years young. Baba Mtetwa says, Tetan Dimitru, Muhammad Ali, and now Stephen Keshi. Giants falling, celebrated lives of icons in our lifetime. Thank you for the memories. Yes, we all share those feelings. Bright Dyke says, it saddens me greatly to hear Stephen Keshi is no longer with us. The Nigeria coach that made many of my dreams come true. Rest in peace, my friend, he says. And here's a wonderful picture of the great man. He's about to join Orlando Pirates. I don't quite know how to feel about that. I kind of feel a little bit empty, if I'm honest. Rest in peace, Stephen Keshi. We still cannot believe it. Yes, that's the kind of general sense that we all have. We ask you the question, how do you remember Stephen Keshi? Send us your tweets at SABC Newsroom. We'd like to share the sentiment today. It's been kind of a shock overnight to hear of the passing of Stephen Keshi. Personally, I was waiting for him to be announced as the coach of Orlando Pirates. I still cannot believe it. Anyhow, moving on.